over PJ Masks headquarters. We are... Well, looky, 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 what have we got here? The villains are the ones who finally get to cheer. We trap the PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do. We can't be stopped. Let's march. Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. And everybody on the floor. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4.
We caught your little gecko, it was easy to do.
We're coming after Catboy and Owlette too. We're the best, we're supreme, you know it's true. We're taking over PJ Mask HQ. Up, 2, 3, 4. Tell me who we're marching for. The villains. The villains. 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains. The villains. Let's march. Whoa. Let's march. Whoa. Let's everybody on the floor. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march. Let's march.
What's up? Hi. Getting started tonight, we're going to draw a serpenoid. You already have gotten to get the chance to spot the difference for this Bakugan. He looks a lot like Rattleoid. Yeah, I know. Their open forms are probably the same, and these two, they're both snakes, and they look just like each other, even though one looks like a rattlesnake and the other looks like a serpent. Alexa, what is a rattlesnake?
Rattlesnakes are venomous snakes that form the genera Crotalus and Cistrurus of the subfamily Crotalinae. All rattlesnakes are vipers. Rattlesnakes are predators that live in a wide array of habitats, hunting small animals such as birds and rodents. Rattlesnakes receive their name from the rattle located at the end of their tails, which makes a loud rattling noise when vibrated that deters predators or serves as a warning to passers-by.
Alexa, what is a Burmese python?
The Burmese python is one of the largest species of snakes. It is native to a large area of Southeast Asia and is listed as vulnerable on the Yukon Red List. Until 2009, it was considered a subspecies of Python molaris, but is now recognized as a distinct species. It is an invasive species in Florida as a result of the pet trade. Pythagoras is a noun meaning Greek philosopher, mathematician, and religious reformer.
Okay, then. And finished. That is how you draw a serpenoid. That's all for now. That's how. Alexa, what's the difference between a serpent and a dragon?
This might answer your question. According to Wikipedia, snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. Like all other squamates, snakes are ectothermic, amniote vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors, enabling them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. According to Wikipedia, a dragon is a reptile-like legendary creature that appears in the folklore of many cultures worldwide. Beliefs about dragons vary considerably through regions, but dragons in Western cultures since the High Middle Ages have often been depicted as winged, horned, four-legged, and capable of breathing fire.
Alexa, what is the Loch Ness Monster?
According to Wikipedia, the Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie, is a creature in Scottish folklore that is said to inhabit Loch Ness in the Scottish Highlands. It is often described as large, long-necked, and with one or more humps protruding from the water. Popular interest and belief in the creature has varied since it was brought to worldwide attention in 1933.
I feel like it's still there. You guys got any evidence? I know it's real. We just gotta keep searching. No matter what it looks like.